Hello, students! Welcome to the Academy, our new learning platform at Universitario Conversa. Here you can find your courses, submit activities, and check your progress easily. I will guide you step by step with short video tutorials. So, let's get started. The first step is to open your Google Web browser and log in with your institutional account. Great job! In case you do not have it, ask the coordinator or the receptionist at your school. Now type in Google LMS Conversa eAcademy and log in with your institutional account and code. Now you are in! First of all, watch the welcome video, take some time to watch it fully. There is very useful information before you start your English course.
Hola, ¿qué tal? Les saluda Marco Antonio Carballido Reyes. Soy el director académico de inglés en Universitario Conversa. Soy el responsable de preparar y coordinar todas las actividades.
In the section My Courses, you will find your current book. Ask your receptionist to update it in case you do not see it. In the payment record, you will be able to see your tuition. Please be careful to have it covered so you can access the whole material. All right, in the next button, you will see your attendance. Ask your English teacher to update it should you not see it. In the AI section, you can easily find the links for any activity you need to send. Here you can see the most common ones such as ChatGPT, Canva AI. In this example, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to make an image of a family tree to present it in my oral exam. Save the file, we will use it later on. Use these tools for your school's projects. They will be a great help to submit your homework like oral exams with presentations, videos, or audios. Remember, AI is the future of education. Let's have a look at the book number 1. Okay, click on the week you are in. First, you will see the syllabus. Feel free to download and print it. In that file, you can see all of the topics you will check during the week. Then you will watch more videos. This one is about the first dialogue in your book. Open it and complete the dialogues in your book.
Track number 1. Unit 1. Page 2. Follow the dialogue.
Hello, Diego.
Hi, Tina. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm okay.
Good. In the next activity, there is another video. You will need your book to listen and read more comfortably. Do not forget to repeat.
2. Unit 1. Page 3. Greetings and farewells. Listen and repeat after the beep sound.
Greetings. Hello.
At Conversa, we have native speakers. They also recorded video classes for you to reinforce what you learn.
Greetings, introduction, farewells. Come on, let's get started.
Finally, you need to put in practice what you learned, what a little exercise. Choose the best answer and send it. Press Ctrl+P and save the file as PDF. We will send it in a moment. Good job so far. Now, it is time to send your activity. Open your Google Drive account. Remember, it must be the institutional one. Create your folder and name it with the book you are taking. Upload your file. In this case, it is the result from the previous exercise, right? Click on the file, share the file, and set it with Universitario Conversa and copy the link. Go back to the E-Academy and type a little message to your teacher and paste the link. Important. Do not add any contraction in the text, otherwise the activity will not be sent correctly. Important. Before you send any activity by clicking on the button Send, you need to mark it as complete, otherwise it will not be received by your teacher. Have a look at your daily progress. Try to achieve the 100% every day. You can do it. Finally, scroll up and check your general progress. You need at least 80% to pass the module. Great! You have done an amazing job. Repeat the same process with your activities. All right, let's check your academic reports. Click on the button Academic Summary. In this window, you are going to see your weekly progress. Make sure to achieve the 90% every week at least. In this way, you will really learn. Great! It is time to practice what you checked in class during the week with an exam. To do this, click on the button Exams Taken, then on the blue link Pending Exam, and choose the best answer. Be careful, there is a 40-minute limit of time to send it. You're almost done. Read your answers again and send it. You will receive your results in a report with the correct and incorrect answers for you to copy them down on your notebook. Perfect. Click on the same button to see your results. You need to present all of them to pass to the next module. In attendance, you can see your attendance per module. Please remember to tell your teacher if you see any absence. Now, your tasks sent per module, your evaluations will appear here once your teacher have graded them. And finally, it's time to play. Click on the button Gamification. The point in this game is to deliver correctly as many activities as possible. The goal is to win at the end of the module by being constant and sending your activities on time. Perfect! Thank you for watching this tutorial. Remember, every step you take here at Conversa brings you closer to your goals. Keep learning, stay motivated, and trust that your effort will open new opportunities. See you the next time.